What if I told you the secret to dewy, glowing skin isn't a pricey serum, but a juicy bowl of watermelon mint salad? Seriously, forget those endless bottles. This simple, refreshing snack is a total glow-up for your skin, working from the inside out. Let's break it down. Reason number 1, hydration. Watermelon is a whopping 92% water. That means every bite is like giving your skin a drink. Fine lines, dry patches, gone. Just straight up all-day hydration. Number 2, antioxidant armor. Watermelon is loaded with lycopene, a natural defender against UV damage and free radicals. Basically, it's like sunscreen for your insides, keeping your skin young and radiant. Eat now, thank yourself later. Number 3, collagen boost. Watermelon and mint are a vitamin C powerhouse, firing up collagen production so your skin looks bouncy, firm, and totally age-proof. Who needs Botox when your salad tastes this good? Number 4, calm and soothe. Mint isn't just for fresh breath. I'm talking major anti-inflammatory magic. It calms irritation, soothes redness, and gives you that cool, calm glow. If your skin's feeling cranky, this is your new best friend. And 5, detox and glow. Watermelon and mint team up to flush out toxins, clear up your complexion, and leave you with filter-free radiance. Bye-bye breakouts. Hello, healthy glow. So, who's making this tonight? Drop a glow up in the comments if you're in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. I've got way more skin-loving secrets coming soon.